Hi, I'm Shi and Shannon, and you're watching the Edge TV Evening Highlights. Prime Minister Datuk Seri Najib Razak says there will be a new committee to tackle Malaysia's economic blues. The details of the committee will be announced soon. Najib says this committee will be tasked with ensuring the nation's growth momentum in the face of what he describes as uncertain and challenging times. According to the Prime Minister, he is aware of the state of the domestic economy and also global financial sentiments. He says he's been meeting key stakeholders, including the Bank Negara Governor and the Chairman of the Securities Commission. The value of the ringgit has plummeted drastically in recent weeks, raising questions about Malaysia's economic ability to withstand the drop in the currency value. Bargain hunters are swooping in after Monday's massive sell-down in Malaysian equities. The FBM KLCI finally closed in the black, breaking a 3-day losing streak that saw it resting just above the 1,530-point plateau. At 5 p.m, the CI was up 2%, the most since May 2013. That's after the local stock market closed in the red in 3 straight trading days. Between last Thursday and Monday, it surrendered over 3%, settling yesterday at 1,532, the lowest level since May 2012. But the gains are going to be short-lived. Hong Leong Investment Bank research says the FBM KLCI is likely to face further sell-down this week amid the bearish handover from the Dow and Shanghai shares. That's compounded by lingering domestic concerns. Think political woes, the 1MDB scandal, the ringgit, sliding reserves and the moderating economic outlook. The research house says jittery investors are also likely to stay on the sidelines ahead of upcoming Bersih 4.0 rally. It says the key supports are 1480 to 1526. Uninspiring second quarter earnings from Telekom Malaysia. The telco giant says net profit edged 1% lower today after it took a hit from Packet One's losses, plus the increased cost of foreign borrowings thanks to the weak ringgit. TM's net earnings were down to some 212 million ringgit from a year earlier, but revenue was up marginally to 2.84 billion ringgit thanks to higher income from internet and multimedia and non-telecommunication services. The weakening ringgit is presenting a problem for TM, which bore 14.5 million ringgit in forex losses for the quarter. Still, it's not planning to restructure or refinance its US dollar-denominated debts.
Since the debt is long-dated, 2025, 10 years from now. So, and then the hedging cost, I think if we were to do hedging, it's not cheap, it's expensive. And whatever the impact will be unrealized anyway, forex changes. So for now, we don't, unless the hedging cost is attractive, the hedging pricing is attractive, we don't foresee any refinancing or any restructuring.
He says only 12% of the debt, or $200 million, are exposed to forex fluctuations, as the rest have been hedged accordingly. If TM's earnings were uninspiring, Genting Plantations' numbers were just plain disappointing. The company says second quarter net profit plunged 42% year-on-year on lower palm prices and softer property sales. Genting Plantations arm says net profit fell to 40 million ringgit, while revenue was also down, dropping 15% to 205 million ringgit. It says lower selling prices for palm products and softer property sales had offset the higher contributions from higher FFB production in Indonesia and improved biodiesel sales. The company declared an interim single-tier dividend of 2.5 cents per ordinary share of 50 cents each. BIMB Holdings, the owner of Bank Islam Malaysia, will be delaying the release of its second quarter results. That's after Bursa Securities granted the group a 3-market day extension. This is not the first time that BIMB had asked for an extension of time. In February, the group also requested to delay the announcement of its fourth quarter 2014 financial results. For the first quarter of fiscal year 2015, the group posted a 10% increase in net profit from a year ago. That's on the back of an 11% jump in revenue. In May, BIMB noted that its Islamic banking business is expected to sustain its growth momentum. It is, however, maintaining a cautious stance, taking into account the current economic condition. And that's all the time we have for today. I'm Shi and Shannon. Thanks for watching.